This is the Iroquois Ironworker model SPP4075, our most popular machine since introduced in 2003. This heavy-duty 75-ton ironworker features 5 stations. Punching station, shown here punching a hole requiring a full 75 tons. The machine shows off its strength and quietness. 14-inch flat shear. Angle shear. Notching station. And 40-ton pressing station. This huge pressing cavity is what truly sets the Iroquois SPP4075 apart from the competition, by providing you all the functions of an industrial-duty H-frame press built right into your ironworker. Not only can you press bearings and straighten parts, you can use different attachments in the press, such as press brakes, shown here bending 1/2 inch by 6 inch, pipe and tubing benders, and many more. We also offer coper notchers and pipe notchers. We also offer many other options to customize and tool your machine, such as punch sets, jig tables, backstops, caster kit, control options such as foot control, stroke control, or production control, custom tooling, and more. Thank you for watching, and please email, call, or visit our website for more information.